On December 9, 2022, I created this channel with the goal of reaching 1000 subscribers in 1 year. 4 months later, in April 2023, I achieved it. 1 week later, I started gaining 400 subscribers a day. It was crazy. I was refreshing the page every minute to see my dream come true. As you can see, by the end of the year, I will have around 11,000 subscribers. So basically, I've surpassed my goal by 10 times. Thanks to everyone who came across this channel. I am grateful to have you here, so I want to share with you my goal setting formula that helped me achieve many goals this year, and I am using it again in 2024. This formula has 3 chapters, and I will explain them in detail to help you set and achieve your goals in 2024 flawlessly. Stone engraving vision. If God were to tell you right now that He will make any goal you want come true, but you have to write it or draw it on a stone, how would you do it? That's exactly how you should set your goals. They should be clear and achievable. If you asked me what the secret to achieving goals is, I would tell you it's writing them down. Writing down goals is the first step to achieving them, but not just on any random piece of paper and then throwing it away. No, get a new notebook specifically for 2024. Open the first page and ask yourself, what do I really want or need and why? Before you write anything, take a moment to think and organize your thoughts and goals in your mind. This will provide clarity and a reason to truly take action and not waste any time. Choose 3 goals and order them according to difficulty. First hard, second less hard, and third medium. Turn to the second page and break down each of those goals. For example, my goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers. I'm going to focus this entire year on creating content that provides truth to the person watching. I don't want to simply copy and paste what's on the internet. Instead, I want my creativity to flow through the channel, helping people reach something or gain insight. The plan is to upload a minimum of 1 quality video per week and engage with people in the comments within a community based on love and transparency. This is just an example to show you how to do it. Feel free to write wherever you want, just make it clear and straightforward. When you write your intentions like that, you are actually inviting your goals to come true. So don't underestimate this part. After you know and break down your goals, it's time to engrave them in stone. Take those 3 goals from the first page and write them somewhere you can see every day randomly. If you have a whiteboard, write them in the top corner. If you don't, just use a paper on the wall or your phone or PC wallpaper. The important thing is to see them multiple times effortlessly throughout your day. This will help you build trust and emotional connection with your goals. This is now a mission that you must undertake. It's not just another ordinary goal. Your life, your personality now depend on this. Daily visit, action. What are the things that, if done every day, will help you achieve your goal in X amount of time? Let's say the goal is to reach the summit of this mountain. You don't want to just go like that with no plan or checkpoints. That will ruin your journey and may even be dangerous. So you want to plan it with steps, and each step has its pace and difficulty. This will help you get smoothly to the summit with fewer risks while enjoying the journey to the fullest. For example, with my goal to reach 100,000 subscribers, I am aiming to reach 30k in the first 4 months, 70k from the 5th to the 9th month, and 100,000 subscribers at the end of 2024. How will I do that? This is what is called a sub-goal, a goal that is involved in or secondary to achieving a larger goal. The larger goal is 100,000 subscribers, and the sub-goal is the number of subs within X amount of months. Within the sub-goal, there are other sub-goals that will help me reach the 30k subs in 4 months. For example, uploading 3 videos a week, with each video solving a problem or providing insights. I know it might seem a little bit crazy, but it actually works. It did work for me, as you can see. It's way better than just doing random things and hoping they work. So now you have the main goal at the top corner of the whiteboard, and right beside it are the sub-goals with a clear target in X amount of time. Instead of focusing on the large goal and hoping to achieve it soon, you will shift your focus to sub-goals, which will help you achieve the main goal in the end. This will keep you on track and help you see results sooner. Every time you achieve a sub-goal, you have to tick it off and reflect on what works and what doesn't during this sub-goal journey. This is one of the most effective tips that you could hear about achieving goals. I wish I knew them earlier. Now we both have the most powerful secrets that will make 2024 the best year we will ever live. But what will guarantee your consistency and commitment to it? Past the mission, fuel. Planning and working don't always yield instant results, so most of the time you will find yourself disappointed because of pre-existing expectations. Every expectation that fails adds more weight to your disappointment. That's why most people quit before determining if it's working for them or not. It's natural to desire maximum results with minimal effort, and there is nothing wrong with that. However, it's crucial not to prioritize this in the beginning, or you will find yourself drowning in a sea of disappointment. This is something that I'm personally still working on. Obviously, we all want our ideas and expectations to come true, but that's not always healthy. I realized this when I was creating content on this channel without attachment, putting in full effort and having no expectations, resulting in success. On the other hand, when I emotionally invested and worried about things, most of it turned into just another failed project. We all desire money and satisfaction, and rightfully so. The question is the way we are doing it going to help us achieve these goals? To be honest, I can't provide a definitive answer because I'm still figuring it out. However, adopting a stoic mindset and not taking it personally will be enough. The taste of victory is truly delicious, especially when there is an interesting journey behind it. Instead of just focusing on the goal, infuse wisdom into your journey, making it an inspiring story to remember and smile about one day. Take a moment each day to visualize your goal being achieved and find the fuel that keeps you going regardless of the challenges. With all my love and gratitude, I appreciate everyone who has engaged with this channel, whether a long time ago or just now. I love you and take care.